Welcome to the AI Edu Vista AI Morning Brief, featuring the latest AI news for April 9th, 2026. Today's top signals include OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google coordinating on model theft defense. This cooperation suggests the threat is strategic, making AI security a bigger story than a normal product launch. Additionally, Anthropic's compute and enterprise momentum are huge. The AI race is shifting to access to massive compute and enterprise adoption at scale. In global developments, Meta launched Muse Spark, an AI model that outscored xAI's Grok on most tests. AI leaders are pooling intelligence for security through the Frontier Model Forum. Finally, Anthropic is gaining significant enterprise traction, with a large share of new AI tool spending favoring the company. Focusing on India, the sovereign AI stack remains a long-term story, with the India AI mission supporting multiple model teams. BharatGen also has institutional backing after MeitY-backed funding, reinforcing support for India's local language model push. In Tools and Product Watch, keep an eye on Meta's Muse Spark as it signals a stronger push to stay competitive. Also, watch enterprise AI buying patterns, as the next major story could be which vendor becomes the default enterprise workflow layer, moving beyond consumer hype. Regarding policy and compliance, the EU AI Act's pressure on copyright and transparency is a key compliance theme. AI providers must implement copyright policies and publish detailed summaries of training content. Any AI product touching Europe should anticipate stronger documentation and disclosure expectations in 2026. Today's biggest takeaway is that AI competition now hinges on model quality, model security, and access to enormous compute capacity. Model theft prevention is urgent. Gigawatt-scale infrastructure is central to AI leadership, and India's sovereign AI build-out is a crucial non-US story.